Hello everyone, we are back with the Pokemon Soulsilver Shiny Locke. We have our Shiny Giratina. Should probably take him out of the front of my team, because he's probably really low on health. Yeah, let's take him out of the front. I don't want him to die. Jeez, everyone's low though. I guess I'll keep Stella up front. All we have to do is get out of here, and then we can fly over to, I guess we're going to New Barktown. So yeah, we'll fly over to New Barktown after this. Oh, that's why. Okay, let's go heal. Since you can heal at Professor Elm's lab. Oh, it's with the computer. Uh, I think I'll keep Swamp Toys up front actually. And it's an Inkata. Inkata is actually a pretty cool Pokemon to shiny hunt, since if you get a shiny Ninkata, you get 2 shinies for the price of 1. Because if you have an extra slot in your team, then you get Shed Ninja and then also Ninjask after it evolves. Is low. Okay. Do we have a Pokemon that actually knows Waterfall or no? Ooh, Ivysaur. That's cool. Yeah, we don't have one that knows Waterfall. Who should we teach Waterfall to? Technically, only Swap Toys would be able to learn it. Let's get rid of Skull. I don't know. Let's get rid of Protect, actually. Cancel. How ups the Pokemon's weaker moves? So whatever my weakest move is, it powers up? That could be useful if I got a lot of moves that are actually really weak. Well, not that weak, but like I get a ton of strong moves, and then I have a weak move on it, and then it just becomes a lot more OP. Another Ivysaur. So we're going to get to the Elite Four, and we're going to try and get to the champion. I cannot guarantee anything, but I can at least try. Moo Moo Milk. That's nice. Okay. What is it this time? Nuzleaf. Okay. I technically didn't have to battle you. You're in. Okay, let's go for... Bite would be my weakest move. Let's go for Surf. That kills... Tyrogue. That's a fighting type. Cut my attack. Surf is special, isn't it? Aw, hit me with Fake Out. Surf is special, Waterfall is physical. So Bite should do a lot of damage, actually. Plus it was super effective. That's actually really good. I'm pretty sure that's Mega Scissor's ability. Ninkata. Oh, the Ninkata has slow sort? Wait, is that what it said? That was weird. I thought I saw that Ninkata had slow start. I don't think it does though. Quivana. Thing is, I don't feel like we need any more shiny Pokemon. I feel if I just train properly, I should be fine. But yet again, I don't know. I mean, all of my Pokemon have at least 2 lives, so we all get another chance when it really comes down to it. Well, I knew that would happen. And then we soft reset, and we go back in. Okay. Calcium. That sells for a high price. Fake Out. Seriously? The only thing that has actually hurt Swap Toys is Fake Out. Needle Queen. that's great because it's the ground type. Wait, yeah, never mind. Zubat. And we're staying in. We should really train up Rolf, but I just haven't yet. I might do like a little grinding montage before Victory Road. Not Victory Road. Before the Elite Four. Because I'm actually afraid about my team right now. Force Skull Bash. Why would I do that? Coughing. Thing is, the Elite Four could be like super easy, or it could literally be the hardest challenge I have ever seen. So it really just depends on what I should have went for Bite. I was planning on going for Bite, but then I didn't. Oh, that was a crit as well. Well, you're dead. Like, I feel like level 50 is actually a proper number. And then next I'll train up Stella a bit. Don't I have the experience share? Okay. After I get to a point in which I can fly back, I'll get the no, I don't know. Can I even fly right now? I still can. Yeah, let's go get the experience share. But I'll make it as fast as possible. Oops. Yes, thank you for the experience share. Okay. So now, we can give this experience share to Rolf. And he'll probably actually need it. So we're going to give that to him. And I'm actually just going to run back. I forgot there were Celebies in this route. There were some pretty cool Pokemon in this route that I would have loved to get shiny, but I was so impatient with the shinies that I literally waited until after the 3rd gym to get my 2nd shiny. That wasn't my starter. Literally, I don't know why I waited so long. I was just getting really impatient with it. Okay, let's just slow it down just a bit. Okay. Okay. Oh, I have to battle you now. Oh, it's just that jump kick. Wait, what? Oh, it's because it's put ground. I mean put poison. Jeez, what? What happened to all my healing items? I remember using a lot of them on Giratina actually. Which I should have just thrown the Master Ball because that's what I ended up doing. Okay, now we're going to slow it back down to normal. I don't know why I'm going for strength. Why don't I just go for return? I mean, that's going to do more damage. Okay, we're staying in for Manaphy. Form. Please kill. Why did that do absolutely nothing? Is that the attacking one, or no, it's not? That's Spout. Water Spout and Sport. Sport weakens fire type moves, Spout does damage. Wow. Paralyzed and confused. Always so great. Stop being confused. You are terrible. Don't get paralyzed and don't hurt yourself. You did one of those things. Don't get confused and don't get paralyzed. Also press the... Wait. I was going for strength. Never mind. We are switching out. This is doing absolutely nothing. That should be not very effective. Let's go for Dragon Claw. And I think we're going to actually keep Giratina out front. Serpent, whatever you want to call it. Or a spear. Die. Good job, Serpent. We'll keep Serpent out front. Or a spear. It's kind of weird how like this special move, which is actually decently good, is on. I feel like it's like the one that's more associated with is Lucario, which is a fighting steel type. I mean, is Lucario more special attack or attack? If it was more special attack, I guess it would make sense, but it's also kind of weird to have like, you know, a special attacker as a fighting type, let alone a fighting steel, which should both be more physical type Pokemon. Dragon Claw. Yeah, Lucario actually has better special attack than its attack, but it's only by 5. So it's actually not that much of a difference. So it's fine to use special attack or physical attacks. Physical or special, he can use both. So he really doesn't have that much of a downfall in either category. And then when he Mega Evolves, he gets more attack than special attack. But they're both around even, so he can technically use either or, physical or special, and he'll be fine. Dragon Claw. Surfing should probably use Earth Power actually. Ooh, Torkoal. Sorry, I kinda got distracted with something. I mean, Aura Spear is a good move since it's super effective against Rock. I mean, Why would I not do that? Is the real question. Man, why didn't it kill? I mean, I understand Giratina. Giratina is definitely more of a special attacker, though, isn't he? Oh, what was that move? Ice Fang. That's actually pretty good. Icy Wind we're getting rid of. Yeah, Icy Wind. When does Piloswine evolve again? I'm pretty sure it has something to do with his moves, actually. Swine, Piloswine. Piloswine. Oh man. Piloswine evolves. After he learns Ancient Power, which he learns at possibly level 1. Oh. So would that mean that I can't get Mamoswine? That means I can't get Mamoswine, doesn't it? I don't have any TMs that or like Ancient Power or something. I mean, that would be really nice for me if we had that, but I don't think we do. Man, we're not going to be able to get a Mamoswine then. Shadow Claw. Is that going to kill? Yes, it is. Diglett, yeah, I can definitely take down a Diglett. Okay, let's go for Dragon Claw. Anorith. Let's go for Bug Rock. Aura Spear? I don't know. Maybe I should have went for Earth Power. It killed. It's fine. As long as it kills, then we're fine. How much time do we have left in this episode? I can't see it, actually. Okay, we're at around 30 minutes. So we might end this pretty soon. I mean, we made it to Victory Road, so Victory Road can be its own episode, and then the Elite Four can be its own episode. Except for I'm pretty sure Victory Road is kind of short in this game, so I don't know about that. That would really have to depend, and I'm not really sure. Or Spear. Oh wait, why did I stay in? I'm an Ice type. I mean not an Ice type, I'm a Dragon type. I don't know what I'm saying. Lapras is an Ice type. Okay, let's go with... Let's kill it with Shadow Claw. Zangoose, a normal type. Might not even be able to hit me, so might as well just stay in. Let's go with Aura Spear. Okay. No, I do not want your number. Okay, so... Item down there. I wonder what it is. Apricot berry, seriously? Okay, so I can pass, because I have all 8 badges. Ooh, Graveler. Okay, so... I kinda... Oh, didn't mean to do that. How do I unpause it? Okay, I'm going to actually just check what's around here for a bit, and grind up just a bit. So we have Duskull, we have Staravia. There should probably be other things here as well. Gaily. I think that one had Sturdy actually. Beautifly. Voodoo. Nidoran male. Actually a lot of diversity here. Anything else? Kingler. Why are there so many Pokemon here that are actually decent? Okay, Surfing. Ooh, Shadow Force. Yes, please. Okay. I think that's about all that is actually here. I mean, yeah, I think that's a... Okay, so that's it for the possible Pokemon in this area. So I think this will probably just be the end of the episode. I'm going to do a little grinding montage at the beginning of the next episode. So I'll see you guys all next time. Bye.